Hello everyone, my name is Nick Eels and I lead product and development for Aforza. In today's demonstration, I'm going to take you through 3 of the key areas that our trade promotion management solution addresses. The first is planning. So when I'm an account manager or promotion manager, I need to be able to plan out perfect promotions. These promotions need to have the right products, they need to be targeting the right customers or segments, and they need to have the right discounts associated to them to give me the best return that I can get and the best uplift. The second section we're going to look at is the execution. And this is really the critical missing piece from a lot of trade promotion solutions. When I create my promotions, I need to wait a way to deploy those into the field. So I need to get these into the hands of my field teams. I need these to be accessible by my telesales agents. I need them on my e-commerce website. I need these promotions to be in front of my customers so that they can act on them. And then the third point, and again a really critical one, is improvement. So as I'm executing my promotions, as I'm planning them, I need to get real-time feedback on how they're performing so we can make tweaks and we can fine-tune them to increase the effectiveness. If a certain product or a certain promotion is not performing, we need to know about that instantly so we can enact change and turn that into a really effective promotion. So let's jump straight into the demonstration, and I'm going to show you how all of this works using Aforza's tools. So here we are in Aforza. I'm logged in as an account manager who's planning out the different promotions that they're going to execute for the fresh start shops that they manage. So here I am on an account page and I can see details about this specific outlet. I can see hierarchy information. So how does my fresh start outlet actually fit into the overall group? And this is really important when you talk about promotions because often you're running promotions nationwide, but sometimes you also want to run promotions on a per store or per segment basis. Speaking of segments, when I'm on this page, I can see all of the granular details I need to know about this particular outlet. So I can see relationship details, the demographic that shops there, the store specifications. So, how many areas do they have available for me to display gondolas or put posters up? What competitors are being sold in that store, geographical information, really anything you want to capture about this customer. And then most importantly, I can see the promotions that I'm currently running at this store. So on this calendar, I get a really easy to use view of what is being run at this store today. So I can see from here that we've actually got a number of nationwide discounts that we're applying to all of our customer base, which we're applicable for. There's a couple of coupon contests that we're running earlier in the year. And then there's some seasonal discounts for soft drinks and other products that we're marketing, but none of those are really being activated at this point in time. So not to worry, we could actually just drag one of these across and instantly that promotion is now available. Or the other alternative is something changes about this account and we want to react to that. So if I go back to my segment page here, let's say we learn a bit more information about this customer. Perhaps we know that they're ordering a lot from us, so we want to mark them as a VIP. So we can easily toggle them on as a VIP customer by clicking the button. And it's now tracked here on the customer's record. And what that means is, from a promotion standpoint, they're immediately going to be eligible for new VIP promotions based on that change. So after refreshing the page, you can see there's 3 new promotions at the bottom here, all for VIP discounts for certain product lines. You can also see this customer now qualifies for VIP nationwide discount promotions. So just by changing that one attribute on a customer, we're immediately given a number of new options that we can use to help upsell this customer and to really go to market effectively with them. Another thing that we might want to use this for is if we're competing with other companies. So let's say we went to this store and we know there's a new competitor being sold there that we're really trying to target. So this new drinks competitor. Again, I can add that to our customer record here. And if I go back to promotions, immediately I'm going to get some promotional options to help combat that competitive threat. So we can see we've now got 3 specific promotions for this series of drinks that we sell to try and get rid of the market share of that customer and to get our share of shelf up as well. So that is how we actually go about planning promotions for accounts. And as I said, we can add new promotions, we can drag and drop these, we can modify them. We can use this calendar to check out for promotion clash to see what's performing well and what's not performing well. But let's say I want to see a bit more detail. I'm going to click into one of these promotions. I'm going to look at this VIP soft drinks, buy 5, get 1 free. And this is going to give you a much more detailed view of how that promotion is put together. So here we are on the promotion. We can see the name. We can see the effectivity date when we're running it from and to. We've got a status and a type, so you can have different types of promotions that you're running. And then we can also see who we're targeting. So your promotions can just target nationwide accounts, or additionally, they can target segments. And a segment really is a collection of customers that we want to go to market to. So in this case, we're actually targeting our VIP customers. In the related details of this promotion, I can see the discount that we're applying, which is this free soft drink. We can see the different products that I'm selling. And then I can see the different groups where I'm having to choose some soft drinks. I have to buy some soft drinks and I have to choose one for free. And then the rules tab, we can see how we're targeting those customer segments. So we can see in this case, we are targeting our VIP customers. We're allowing this promotion to be sold on mobile, telesales, and e-commerce. All of our sales reps and our external users can use this promotion. And then we actually have calculations that in real time will tell us how many customers this promotion is going to reach. So in this case, there's only one VIP customer, so we've got a 5% coverage. So we know that this is a very targeted, very specific promotion. So that's a very high-level overview of planning, which is a key part of promotion management. But what happens after planning? What happens if I want to actually go to Fresh Start and tell them about this promotion and get them to order it? Well, let me now take you to the order capture screen, in this case, the telesales one, where I can show you the experience for actually pushing this promotion to a customer and capturing an order. So here I am on our order capture page. And on here, I can see all of my products in the catalog for this customer. I can see I've added a couple of products to the cart already and they've been priced. And this is all well and good, but what if I also want to sell promotions? So here on the left, we can see our promotions tab. And when I click on that, I'm going to get a view of all of those active promotions for this customer. So this will match that promotion calendar that you saw earlier. And we can see the nationwide discounts, the VIP discounts, those competitor bundles, and then some VIP discounts at the bottom here as well. So let me go ahead and add one of these to the cart. So the customer has expressed interest in the buy 5, get 1 free special promotion here for the VIPs. And when I click on that, I get taken to this guided selling configuration screen where I'm guided as a sales rep or as a customer to pick the right products to have this promotion executed correctly. So here, the first thing I have to do is actually buy 4 soft drinks. So I have to choose 4 of these at full price. And as I'm modifying that, you can see that we're actually in this current kind of orange state, which tells us that we still need to configure something in here to be accurate. And once I hit 4 drinks, you're going to see that this has gone to green. It's good to go. And we've priced everything in here as well. So the last step then is to choose my free drink. So you can see that we've got $0 each for these, and I can pick any one of these for free. It's going to give it to me for free, and it's going to automatically validate this promotion and price it correctly so we get our total price. We could add this to the cart if we wanted to, and we're good to go. And if the customer says this configuration looks great, I just want to order 100 more of it, we can very quickly, easily up the quantity, and everything is multiplied, and we're ready to add this large promotion to the cart. So when I do that, it gets added to my cart. All of it is priced, the discounts are applied, taxes are applied, sales commission is applied, and you are ready to complete that promotional order for a customer and ship those products to them in the store. So that's just one simple example, but you can create any permutation of promotion you want. For instance, here we've got a buy a fridge and then get 50% off ice cream. So you have to buy this fridge. It doesn't let you not buy it. And then you get 50% off as much ice cream as you like. So again, the customer can go in and choose exactly what they want. And just like that, it's validated, it's priced, the discounts are applied, and I can add that promotion to my shopping cart. So now let's take a look at what happens when a sales rep in the field wants to use the same promotional experience. So here I am in the Aforza mobile application, and this is what the field reps, so your sales reps, your merchandisers, will use when they're on the road and speaking to customers. See here I can see that I'm creating a new order for a customer, and I have full access to my product catalog and all the different categories. And I can see right here at the top, I can view all of the current offers and promotions for this customer. So when I click into that, I get the exact same view that my telesales agents got, or that my B2B commerce customers would get. So I can see all of the different promotions available to me. I can see the VIP promotions, those competitor promotions. And just like we did in telesales, I can click on one to add it to my cart, and it's going to take me through that same configuration process. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select 4 of those drinks, and you can see again that we're validating this promotion as the sales rep enters it, so they cannot make any mistakes. And then I'm going to choose my free drink. And just like that, I can add it to the cart, and it's now here ready for validation and ready to be sold to the customer with all of the discounts. We can complete the order, we can view it, create an invoice, we can create a receipt, schedule a delivery, and then capture the customer signature to properly complete that order. So that's execution. I've shown you how you can plan a promotion, and then you can push it to your field, and you can make changes to it, and you can have that in telesales, mobile, and then you can also have that on your web for e-commerce. The last piece of the puzzle that I want to talk to you about is the analytics, or the improvement. One of the real powerful features of having execution and planning on the same platform is that you get real-time feedback on how everything is performing. So I'm going to swap over here to my promotion performance dashboard, and on here I can get a really detailed look at how all of my promotions are performing in the field. So right at the top left, I can see the overall effectiveness of my promotions. So I can see if we've planned them correctly, if it's being sold in a store, and how effective are those targets that we're trying to meet against our predicted revenue. We can see the base revenue that we usually generate. All of this is automatically calculated for us when we create promotions. I can see our predicted revenue. So what's the uplift that I'm going to get from selling these promotions to customers? And then really importantly, we're automatically capturing the actuals. So in real time, as new orders come in, I can see this actual revenue ticking up, and you can see the overall effectiveness increasing. And that means that over time, I can actually see the different promotions, how they're performing on any given day. So if a competitor comes to market and one of our promotions starts to fail, we can see that there's a dip down in the performance, and we can change that promotion, and everyone will instantaneously be using the new discounts or the new products or the new groups. And we can get really interesting analytics from this. So we can see total volume sold, how much profit we're generating, what are the right promotions and the right groups and the right products that are really, knocking it out of the park. What's our total revenue lift over our base? What quantity of products are we selling because of this? So this is all really useful and really interesting information, but I can go from this back to a single promotion and I can tweak it, and that is where the power is. This gives you so much agility and so much flexibility when you're going to market and trying to gain that share of shelf and increase your margins and revenue. So just to recap, I've shown you how you can plan a promotion either for a segment or an account or a group of accounts, how you can view those promotions on a calendar, making sure there's no clash between your product sets, making sure you've got the right promotions at the right time. I've also shown you how you can change something about a store, whether it's just that they're a VIP or there's a competitor being sold there or the location of the store, and immediately get access to the best promotions for that situation. I've then shown you how you can execute. And execution is all about taking those promotions and putting them in front of a customer and capturing the revenue. And then lastly, I've shown you how you can improve your promotions by analyzing what's going on in the field, analyzing what promotions are doing well, which aren't doing so well, and tweaking and tuning your promotions because of that. So this is a really high level overview, but hopefully it's given you a good idea of some of the key capabilities that we're focusing on. There's a huge amount more that I'd love to show you. And we'd be happy to do follow-up demonstrations with anyone that wants to see it.